I hope everybody out there is doing good today. And this is Chris McGee, and this is coming to you from McGhee's Clearing and Grading. This is our work week right here. It's going to show us cleaning up some logging loading docks, and then towards the end of the week you'll see us putting up some fences and some cables across some roadways. This is some shots right here of the loading docks on what they look like. Be some before and after shots. This is my dad starting to clean it up right here at the beginning of it. This is a good shot right here of it to show you all the trees and bark and the debris out there that we've got to clean up. And we're going to take this debris and we're going to push it up to the wood line to clean it up. So years later, when the logging companies come back in to cut the trees, they'll have a clean place to set up their equipment and start loading up the logging trailers and all. You can see here I'm started working on this side, started pushing the debris up to the wood line right here. Some of the places it gets 3 feet, 4 feet deep of debris and trees. Picture of me and my dad right here cleaning it up. It gets so thick in some places he has to get the excavator and make piles, and then I'll get the tractor and the dozer and I'll push it up to the wood line. As you can see, some of the debris, there's some trees that are in the debris once you start pushing it. Just some overhead shots right here, kind of giving you a good look at it. You can see how thick it is right here that we're pushing. But after we get all this cleaned up and all this debris removed, it'll be nothing but the soil out there, so they can pull their trucks out there and all later on. And here's a good shot right here when we was kind of getting done with it on one side. You can see we're around the wood line where we've pushed all the debris up. Like I said, this is some good shots right here of we've got all the debris removed from these loading docks right here, and you can see it's just the soil, so they'll have no problem pulling their logging trucks out there and parking them and loading them. Now this right here is toward the end of the week right here. When the logging companies come in, the roads that go down to the loading docks and all, they'll remove the fences and the cables and the posts so they can get their equipment in and out. After they get finished logging the land and they move out of this area and we go in there and we clean it up, we'll put the fences and the posts and gates and cables back up to just keep anybody from coming off the roadway riding onto the land right here. We was able to bring the farm tractor in, and we purchased a post hole digger that attaches to it, so it helped us out. My son, he goes to college. He was out of school this day, and he came and he was helping us put up some posts and wrapping some cables around some posts and all. Now this is my brother Jeremy. He was welding on the bucket of the excavator right here. It had a bolt that was coming loose and some pins, and he was able to weld it all back together and repair it. This is Jeremy again. He finished welding, and on the back of it he had to do some grinding in the bucket. So he's doing a few repairs to the bucket to get it going again. And I want to thank you all for watching this, and I'm going to try to get some more pictures and videos of this coming up week posted and everything. So just stay tuned. Thank you.